Hey YouTubers, this is JDCat26, just do chairs, repairs, and hobbies. And I forgot to do a video I wanted to do, and I think it's an important video, and it's about the iPhone. It's the iPhone 12, and we're going to do a screenshot. And some people can't save something when they're on a page, and it's like, I can't save this. I put my finger on there, and I can't save it. So let's look up an image. We're going to look up let's make it easy, a dog. So we went to Google and we put in dog. And we look at the image. And he looks like a cute fella, okay? So you put your finger on there. It says, I want to save this to my photo album, okay? And I can't do it. So what you do is you take your phone, and on each side you take this button and that button. This is the right side, this is the left, the top button, the high volume, and this button. And what you do is you press it simultaneously, and you hear the click, and see the image is being saved at the bottom, and it goes right into your albums. So that's right in my albums under the flower. Okay, that's how you save an image. The top volume button and the side button on the right. Just click them simultaneously and you save the image on the web page. You can also afterwards, if you wanted to, take that image and crop it. So that's my tip for today. And he's a cute little guy, isn't he? And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Wish you the best and stay safe and stay well.